Hello guys, this is YouTube channel Path Enlighter. And this video is regarding current affairs. It is for May 2015, important for all the exams. Presented by me Deepak Jaiswal. I'm inspector since 2006, rank 161 in APFC. Thereafter joined as APFC and resigned in 2014. Now coming to the events. World's largest solar photovoltaic plant of 2750 megawatt to be built in Rewa, which is in MP. Rajasthan launched a bird conservation program called Project Great Indian Bustard. First ever science center and planetarium in the Union Territory of Puducherry is established. GAIN, that is Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, to tackle the severe problem of malnourishment in the state, started in Rajasthan. Srinagar hydroelectric project on Alaknanda River in Uttarakhand, commissioned. India inks Chhabar port deal with Iran. This is important. India, which has invested over $2 billion in Afghanistan, plans to link the Chhabar port with the Jarang-Dilaram road, the Garland Highway, which India built in Afghanistan by upgrading the Chhabar-Milak road, opening alternative access to seaport for Afghanistan's connectivity to regional and global markets. Now, Nirmal Ganga Sabhagita. It is a sustainable initiative with urban local bodies located on the banks of the river Ganga for achieving the objective of clean Ganga. Now, Atal Pension Yojana. In this, subscriber would receive a fixed minimum pension of Rs 1,000 to Rs 5,000 per month at the age of 60 years, depending on their contributions, which itself would vary on the age of joining the Atal Pension Yojana. The central government would also contribute 50% of the total contribution or Rs 1,000 per annum, whichever is lower, to each eligible subscriber account for a period of 5 years. The minimum age of joining APY is 18 years and maximum age is 40 years. The pension would also be available to the spouse on the death of the subscriber, and thereafter the pension corpus would be returned to the nominee. Around 2 crore subscribers would be enrolled during the current financial year under APY. Now, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Under this, annual life insurance of Rs 2 lakh would be available on the payment of premium of Rs 330 per annum by the subscribers. It will be made available to people in the age group of 18 to 50 years who are having a bank account. Now, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Under this scheme will be available to people in the age group of 18 to 70 years with a bank account. It is for this coverage will be of Rs 2 lakh for accidental death and full disability and 1 lakh for partial disability. Now, Constitution 119th Amendment 2013, which will allow the operationalization of the 1974 India-Bangladesh Land Agreement. The envisaged exchange of land includes enclaves and adverse possessions from West Bengal, Meghalaya, Tripura and Assam. India has 111 enclaves within Bangladesh, total of 70 square kilometer, whereas Bangladesh has 51 enclaves in India, total of 28 square kilometer. That will be exchanged between both the two. Swami Chinmayanand was a renowned Hindu spiritual leader and teacher who had inspired the formation of a global non-profit organization called Chinmaya Mission to spread the knowledge of Advait Vedanta. He is recently in news, that's why it is here. Now, National Smart Grid Mission. It is an institutional mechanism for planning, monitoring and implementation of policies and programs related to smart grid initiatives. Sacham is a school for specially able children. Now, Deaf Olympics. It is Olympics for the deaf, previously known as World Games for the Deaf and International Games for the Deaf, is an event sanctioned by IOC. Steel plant of ISCO that has the country's largest blast furnace in Burnpur, West Bengal. Hyderabad to play host to Global Pharma Summit. Jonodev Osceola Chaudhary has been appointed the chairman of NIGC, that is National Indian Gaming Commission. Punjab becomes first state to issue soil health card. First postal ATM in Bihar, Patna. Draupadi Murmu was today sworn in as first woman governor of Jharkhand. She is tribal. Shanmugathan to be sworn in as new governor of Meghalaya. 12th International Water Expo to be held in Mumbai. Tathagat Roy, governor of Tripura. Anti-submarine warfare sieve Kavrati launched in Kolkata. Now Mirage 2000 fighter jet landed on Jamuna Expressway. INS Satpura and INS Kamorta are participating in the bilateral naval exercise SIMBEX with the Singapore Navy. Manabi Bandyopadhyay is India's first transgender principal. Mara Gaon Jagmat Gaon seems keen to be launched in Haryana. It is launched in those villages where there is no power theft. Tripura withdraws AFSPA 9858 from the state. Mumbai hosts India's first edition of TEDx Gateway Women Conference. Global Travel Tourism India in 52nd place. Singapore PM Lee opened first Museum Indian Heritage Centre in Little India. David Cameron and Conservatives back with clear majority in British election. That means that he won again. First Gandhian Study Centre in China. Human Capital Index, India at 100th position and Finland at number 1. Karan Menon, Indian-American student, has won National Geographic Bee Championship. Shubham Banerjee, who is credited with the invention of a low-cost braille printer, which is Ligotor, is now working with Microsoft. ICICI Bank has opened its first China-based branch in Shanghai. The ancient Semite city in Homs, Syria, Palmyra, also known as the Pearl of Desert, was seized by the militant group ISIS. It is a World Heritage City. Ireland becomes first country to constitutionally legalize same-sex marriage. India tops World Hunger List with 194 million people. India remains at 44th rank in annual Global Competitiveness Report. Eminent scientist and Bharat Ratna awardee CNR Rao was conferred with Japan's highest civilian award, the Order of the Rising Sun Gold and Silver Star. Shashi Kapoor honored with Dadasaheb Phalke Award. Syrian journalist Mazen Darwish honored with UNESCO Guillermo Cano WordPress Freedom Prize. Prestigious Man Book International Prize for the year 2015 has been won by author Laszlo Krasznahorkai of Hungary. He has written the books Saint-Anko in 1985, The Melancholy of Resistance and The Siego Down Below. NMD wins Platts Global Award 2015. National Mineral Development Corporation. 68 Cannes Film Festival, Neeraj Gevans wins Masan wins this award. Go Airlines named Wolfgang Prock-Sauer as new CEO. S. Christopher is new DG of DRDO. Surinder Singh took as DG of CISF. Arvind Saxena first raw officer in UPSC. KB Kamath appointed as the head of new development bank of BRICS nation. It is being set up by the 5 emerging economies of the BRICS grouping for the economic development. Mr. Navneet Rajan Vasan as new DG BPRD Chief, new Director of DG of BPRD. Multivariate rocket launcher Pinaka Mark II rocket was successfully test fired from Army Chandan firing station near Pokhran near Indo-Pak border. Microsoft launched Edo Cloud, which is a cloud computing based offering that will enhance digital learning and teaching in schools and higher education institutions in India. BrahMos land attack cruise missile successfully test fired from Car Nicobar Islands. ISRO to commission new multi-object tracking radar to trace space debris. It is a homemade radar system that is capable of tracking several objects at the same time. World's first fully warm-blooded fish discovered, named Opa. New species of fish called Petia strata have been found by ecologists in the Tunga River of Kudremukh National Park, Karnataka. Subscribe to this channel for free education. For any queries or suggestions, mail us at partnerlighter@gmail.com.